Oh, welcome to Wareham station between Wool and Halton Heath. I hope you are doing well. This is quite a nice station, I think. Here for a tour of the station, if you will. I'm not here for crazy lengths of time, just enough to do a tour, maybe have a little look outside. Yeah, these canopies look very nice. The station's sort of, I don't know, it sort of looks like a heritage railway, but also not at the same time. It's very, very nice, I think. Yeah. And a lovely array of bicycle storage racks. Are they getting bigger in size? Each bike rack. Sure they are. Well, them ones are smaller and these ones are bigger. Maybe. Yeah. Our toilets at this station. I imagine probably closed now. Yes, they are indeed. Nice array of benches. Waiting room there. Plenty of bins. A shop of some form. And then information boards. There's a ticket machine there. A help point. Here's a ticket office and waiting room. It's rather nice. Still got the red from Network South East. There is a foot crossing here, I believe. Take a look at. Here is the main station building. Here at Wareham. It's pretty nice. It's rather grand. Built in 1886. Makes it very old. Bridge Wareham on it. Pedestrian crossing has a opening hours. I imagine it closes after dark. Probably because they get antisocial behaviour of an evening.
You okay?
This is the station. And then we're over the other side. The green light there. It's quite a nice crossing. And here is Wareham signal box. The old, I don't think it's in use anymore, but it once was. And here's where the buses stop for Wareham station. And yeah, here's the footbridge for when crossing's out of use, or if you just don't want to use the footbridge. You don't want to use the crossing, I mean. But yeah. Very nice. I do like that they kept the crossing in use, even if you have to get permission to cross it. Yeah, we are now on the London bound platform, just like that. Yeah, I do like these new style signals. They're very nice in a way. Yeah, planter there, Wareham on it. Yeah, there's a rather new looking help point here. It's very new. Yeah. Tap pads here, we can go up here and should do a view from the footbridge. Alexander 300 there. Wow. Our favourite buses. Go and have a look at that actually there. There's a view from the footbridge. Have a look at this old bus. Yeah, there's an old ALX 200 here, one of my favourite buses. before they were withdrawn. There's also an Omni City here. They're all gone in Kent now. Hope to go on one in a bit. The number 13 bus route. Yeah, lovely bus. Just outside the station, if you do visit. I take it this platform here used to be for the Swanage bound trains, which now is a heritage railway. But it does not come to Wareham, unfortunately. It goes to a place called Norden, I believe, or it's something close to that. Yeah, you have to get the bus there now, which is that Omni City that you saw just back there. But yeah, that's about it really for this station. It's quite nice here. It arrives at Weymouth service. Consists of, I don't know, I didn't look, 444045. Departing now is 444045 to Weymouth. Well, I do thank you very much for watching this video here at Wareham. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. And for more videos like this in the future, do give me some suggestions of places to go. Oh, that pigeon was lucky. And I will try and fulfill your request. But for now, it's bye-bye from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the very next video. Which, if you're watching them in order, if they get posted in order, should be Parkston Station, just down the line. Thank you very much for watching.
This is Wareham. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Alton Heath.